You know about Godot. I practiced using it during this video and now it's time for the main event, Ludum Dare. I've never used Godot for Ludum Dare, so hopefully it turns out better than my first entry with Unity. Or my fifth. That'd be better, right? Oh. The theme turned out to be limited space. The dumb idea I came up with was that the player would be limited to certain biomes, based on the equipment that they had. I focused on the graphics way more than any game jam I've ever done. These birds, I love them. I spent way too long making them. I'm actually pretty happy with this attacking animation that I drew myself. Now you can kill enemies. And now enemies can kill you. I made this crude but effective title screen and cutscene too. I'm not going to spoil that for you. I also made this sign. I also added this bad boy to the game. Then I implemented the best idea I had all day. Weather. Once I had the basic mechanics in place, I went about the challenge of making an open world that felt full. I submitted literally 2 minutes before the deadline. But hey, make sure to go check it out. I've got a story, decent graphics, and mediocre gameplay. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching.